Hello, everyone. I would like to welcome you first to our freelancing masterclass, where we will talk about freelancing, a little bit about branding, and of course, getting hired. This is a step by step guide that you can follow in order to achieve success in this career path. By the way, my name is Nicole and I'll be your mentor throughout this masterclass. I am the owner and the founder of the Princess Academy, and I also have 6 years of experience as a virtual assistant. The focus of this masterclass is to show you how important it is to have your own identity as a freelancer, as this is one of the most common problems that an aspiring virtual assistant has. But before anything else, let's have a quick introduction to virtual assistants first. So let's define what a virtual assistant is. A virtual assistant, typically abbreviated to VA, also called a virtual office assistant, is generally self-employed and provides professional, administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely from a home office. To keep it all simple, a virtual assistant is someone who works from a home office and offers his or her service virtually to any clients all around the world. As a VA, you can have clients from the UK or US even if you are not living there. It's a dream come true for most people as this is their way to be with their family while earning money. Most VA even earn a lot more than they can earn in a corporate setup. Another question is, why clients hire them? Clients typically hire VAs because they believe that a person can be so productive if he or she works in an environment that she is comfortable with. You know what they say, happy employee means a successful business. Plus, VAs are skilled people that can do a lot of tasks that they usually outsource to a lot of people in the office setup. Now, what most aspiring people ask themselves, am I eligible to become a virtual assistant? The answer is quite simple. Everyone can be a virtual assistant. You know why? Well, you don't need a degree to become a virtual assistant. Skills are teachable and can be learned. You can also work at home, and gadgets that you need to use can be afforded in so many ways now. All you need now is the willingness to learn, your eagerness to be successful, and lastly, you need to be ready to handle your business and other people's business. My last question to you is, are you ready? If you are, then let's start your journey to becoming a virtual assistant.